And welcome back! Today we are going to spawn splines procedurally on any mesh, and we'll be doing our vines here. And yeah, procedural vines basically on these assets. It's gonna be really cool, so let's pop up our hero asset we created in the first tutorial. And you can see here down on the bottom I added some amazing nodes. And we'll start again with our famous nodes here. And first up we got the distance to neighbors, where I just wanted to filter some nodes, and you can do this with the density node also if you want to. So I just wanted to spawn my hanging vines from the areas where there's a lot of points basically. And then we got the density filter, where we just remove some points. And you can see that the upper bounds is really low, and that's because we're filtering out all the white points, so we're keeping the black points. And if I raise this, you can see that we get a lot more splines here. And now I kind of killed my performance, so hold on a bit. Let me just disable this subgraph here. Yeah, so now we only see the debug on the create splines here. And you can see my settings here to the right as well. And you should definitely try out this minimum height threshold, because you can get a lot different results with this. But you can also see that we get some splines on top, but just play around with the settings and you'll find something that you like. Yeah, so we use the create spline node, and we spawn some splines basically from the points. And I think it's the point order where the spline grows from. And then to get the subgraph, you can just create a subgraph node by right-clicking or pressing tab, or simply dragging it in from the content browser. And just double-click on it to open it. A nice tip is to go into the graph settings here in the Vine spline and write something awesome nodes or something in the category, and also press expose to library, and then you'll get it in when you right click in any PCG graph. So that's a fast way to work with multiple graphs and so on. It would be really nice to be able to do like sub categories, but I think that's only available in C++ for now. And we can create an attribute node here, add attribute. So we can control the subdivisions per segment from here. So I want to be able to isolate any node basically and expose all the relevant parameters for that node. So I can basically, if I have a house, I want to add some vines to that house, I can just add my vine node and I'm done. That's how I want to build my game basically. So yeah, I'll do a lot more of those kind of tutorials in the future. Yeah, and you can see that we got some random spawn points here on the top, but that's fine for now. I didn't have this before, so just tweak the point settings and you'll be fine. Or remove it from the top or something. You know how to do it now based on the earlier tutorials. I also wanted to check out how to do it like the Unreal people did in the demo. Spawn vines across from different assets. But yeah, I'm still trying to figure that out, but that will definitely come in a future tutorial as well. So don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, have a great day, and let me know what you think about these kind of tutorials, and I'll try to do more as soon as I can. Okay, have a nice one. Bye.